So we started today's video with someone who has curly shoulder length hair. Oh, and she switches it up to this stunning pixie style. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some long to short haircut transformations. Here we see the stylist doing a pixie cut. Now this pixie does have a rather unique asymmetrical bowl cut shape. Definitely something different. Very modern style. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have yet another gorgeous pixie style. Another beautiful asymmetrical pixie look. Hair is longer in the front, shorter in the back. Wow. So next up we have someone with long blonde waist length hair. Wow, that is a lot of hair. Look at this pixie. I feel like this is the perfect shape, texture, beautiful feathered bangs. I love her earrings too. Very cute style. Lots of versatility when it comes to styling that pixie as well. And then we move on to the next one. So we see someone with long dark hair. And another gorgeous pixie. So we had some beautiful long to pixie hair transformations for this one. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the face framing bangs that he did. Very nice. Lots of height, lots of volume there in the crown. Such a cute style idea. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.